Hello everyone! Welcome to my channel. Our yummy recipe for today is not a dish. It's a sweet sauce dippings for fish balls or for many meatballs and even for barbecues too. This is all-purpose sweet sauce dippings for the foods that are selling in the street in our country, Philippines. If you are interested to learn how to make this delicious sweet sauce dippings, please stay tuned and I will show you how to do it. All the complete list of ingredients are listed below. Let's start. I already put the 2 cups of water in the pot. Then put the vinegar and allow to boil until the strong odor of vinegar evaporates. Then add the soy sauce, the 2 kinds of sugar, the white sugar, the brown sugar, and stir to dissolve. Combine the cornstarch and all-purpose flour and pour in a glass container with water and stir to dissolve. Back to the pot, add the seasonings, the salt, and the pepper. And stir, and then add the garlic, the onions, and stir and allow to simmer. Stir first your slurry or the combination of water and flour. And for adding umami twist, add any all-purpose seasonings. I use in this recipe half packet of Magic Sarap. And to make it more tastier, this sauce, I added oyster sauce. This is my secret. That's why this sweet sauce is delish. I usually use Mamacita's oyster sauce, but this brand is good too. After stirring the sauce, gradually add the slurry to thicken the sweet sauce. Keep on stirring until you achieve your desired thickness. Okay, next. Allow to simmer your sweet sauce. Use the back of the spoon to test the right thickness of the sweet sauce. If it's coating good, it's done. This sweet sauce, I serve it with any fried meatballs, fish balls, and barbecues too. This is an all-purpose sweet sauce dipping. Try mo.
I don't like that.
Try mo. This one is sweet.
It's okay.
Mainit. hot. Yeah.
Sweet?
Very good. Show my ear.
Yeah, kasi it's still good. Hot. Piping hot. He loves it. See, he's still eating the second one.
Oh my God, it is good.
Another one. Oh my goodness.
So delicious.
If you are selling or planning to sell street food, please try this sweet sauce recipe. I'm sure your regular customer will love your food, especially children. If you have customers who love spicy dipping sauce, just pair with my homemade spicy vinegar. This dipping sauce I will be featuring next week. I hope you learned something new today. Thanks for watching. Bye guys.